today's CPB Money Moves, we got you. We have Robert Nakamoto, VP and Mililani Branch Manager at Central Pacific Bank. He's here to shine the spotlight on HELOCs. Welcome to the show.
Thanks, Rachel.
Yes, okay, HELOCs, Home Equity Line of Credit. Can you explain that?
Correct.
Tell everybody what that is.
Yep, HELOCs, or home equity lines of credit, are large limit revolving lines of credit secured on a home or condo.
Okay.
We give borrowers a 10-year period where they can draw any amount up to the limit of their credit and pay back interest-only payments monthly. This allows them to develop a plan and repay what they borrowed over time.
So you have to own a home in order to qualify for a HELOC, is that correct?
Correct, and have some level of equity.
Some level of equity. So that means if your home is, I don't know, worth $700,000 or whatever, you just have to be somewhere under that. Is that right?
Look to be maybe about $500,000 owed on your mortgage.
Got it.
Maybe $200,000 of equity.
Got you. Okay, so now who qualifies for a home equity line of credit?
Number one, you have to have equity on the property. There are some credit requirements and some income requirements as well.
Got it.
The property itself must be fee simple. We can do owner-occupied homes, second homes, and investment properties. However, there are a few homes exempt from the loan itself. Condotels, timeshares, and homes under construction.
Okay, now how would somebody use a home equity line of credit? You own a home, what do you need the HELOC for?
Okay, great. Just a variety of ranges. Very flexible product. I'd say the most common use is for renovations, home repairs, building that kitchen you've always wanted. It's also really popular now, photovoltaic loans or solar projects. It's also a really great way to consolidate debt, higher interest debt, saving borrowers money over time. Also, those recurring expenses related to education, whether you're paying private school tuition or college tuition, great way to spread that cost over a 3-month or 6-month period. Finally, it's just a really good product to have in case of those unexpected expenses. In case a car breaks down or emergency medical expense, it's just a great product to have in your pocket, something you can tap into.
So basically, a HELOC is money that you didn't really even know you had. It's that equity that you're getting from your home where you have this extra money that you can use for some things that you may need, like you mentioned, cars, a rainy day, something like that.
Exactly. It's a great way to turn the equity of your property into cash.
Yeah, and I mean, if you already have a home and you've got equity in the home that you have, you can actually use that as a down payment for another house or something like that.
That's a really popular reason as well. You can use that money from the property you're investing in to purchase another property.
Gotcha. Okay, now what are some of the benefits of getting a HELOC?
With Central Pacific Bank, first and foremost, we have a really great reputation in the communities we serve. In fact, we were just recognized by Forbes as the best bank in Hawaii. We also really pride ourselves on the exceptional customer service that we deliver. It should be mentioned also, HELOCs generally have a lower interest rate than other types of loans. For example, unsecured loans or credit cards. Finally, with HELOC, Central Pacific Bank, we offer very low introductory rates. There's no down payment required. With owner-occupied homes, we can go up to $400,000 without any closing costs. If you're looking for something a little larger, we can do up to $1 million with certain appraisal verifications and income verifications. And finally, if you do transfer over a HELOC from another institution, we can pay up to $500 worth of those fees to transfer.
Boom! There you go. They're going to help you out if you want to switch over, because sometimes there are some other lower introductory rates that you want to take advantage of. CPP, they got you,
correct.
Right?
Yeah, thanks, Rachel.
And if people want to get more information, they want to maybe come in and see you folks, ask you more questions, where would they go? How can they book a consultation or appointment with you?
There's a couple of ways. The best way is to visit our website, cpb.bank, and locating the HELOC link. On there is a great resource for any questions you might have about the product or even just applying for the HELOC directly. If you're not comfortable doing that, you can always visit one of our 27 locations, and a representative will help you and walk you through the process. They'll help you gather the documents you need, ask you some questions about the property itself, and within 2 or 3 business days, they'll probably give you a call letting you know what the next steps are. And finally, once you do that, you can already start strategizing how you're going to use that money and strategizing a way to pay it back.
Boom, and you're good to go. So now's a good time to look at your HELOC if you've got one, see what your rate's at, and maybe switch over for that $500 credit right there. All right, Robert, thank you so much for joining me today. And for all the information on a home equity line of credit, go ahead and check it out. All the information will be on HiNowDaily.com. We're going to take a break. We'll be back with more. Thank you.
Thanks, Rachel.